Okay, this is about ratio. That will be the second video. Okay, the ratio of x to y is expressed to x over y or x to y. Okay, so you can read it, and that is the key point. It has no unit. Okay, it is the same kind by division. Okay, two quantities. Okay, so are they the same? I guess you can put it like this one. For 2 to 1, it is equals to 2 over 1, that is 2. And for 1 to 2, it is actually 1 over 2, so that is 0.5. Are they the same? Obvious no. Okay, so first of all, for this one, a to 20, and you just make it become a fraction like this one, and then you cross out in, and you have 2 over 5. That means the ratio become 2 over 5, or 2 to 5. So for ratio, because they have the same units, then you can cross out it, and you have 7 to 3.5. So you have 7 over 3.5, and you can just maybe expand it. So you have 35 and 70, and then you have 2 over 1. Okay, that's all. Okay, don't change it to 2. Okay, don't change it to 2. Okay, and then for this one, they do not have the same unit, so you cannot cancel them, but you can change it to become the same unit. So for 1 liter, that is actually 1000 millimeter. Okay, millimeter. So when you have the same unit here, okay, you can just cancel it, and then you have 250 to 1000. So you just change it to the fraction again. So you have 1 over 4. So the ratio become 1 to 4. Okay, and for the next one, that is 0.24 to 0.1. So you can just multiply it by 100 here, or you can just change it to 0.4 over 0.1. And if you expand it again, you will make it become 24 over 100. And when then you have this one, you just close it. Okay, that will be 6, and that is 25. So the ratio become 6 over 25. That means 6 to 25. And for this one, please find out the LCM of the fraction. Okay, that means you are going to find out the fractions denominator. So for 3 and 6, I guess you can find out the LCM will be 6. So you just multiply it by 6. So you have 3 over like this one, and then you just cancel them if you have what you need. So you should know that that will be 4 to 5. Okay, so for this one, okay, even when there are 3, then you can just do something similar. So if you know that all of them are the factors of 3, okay, contain a factor of 3, so you can just cause it like this one, and then you have 2 to 5 to 8. Okay, that is how we simplify it. Okay, that is what we call the simplification, the simplest ratio. And for the next one, this one, okay, that is a mixed number, very tricky. So you have to change it to become improper fraction beforehand. That means you have to do one more step first. Okay, change it. And then for this one, you know that the LCM equals to 6, so you just multiply it by 6. So you have question like this one. Actually quite annoying. You have to write a lot, but still you have to do it because that is what you are going to learn. Okay, so after that you have 4 to 8 to 5. Okay, that will be the final ratio. So okay, and then it is time for your practice. Okay, I guess you have finished it. Okay, after you finish, you water it. So basically, just do the same. You divide by 6, then you are going to have 2 to 3, I guess. Okay, so for this one again, you have to change it to make it having the same unit. Okay, so you can close out the unit here, and then you can divide it by maybe 50 as well. So 1 to 4 40. Okay, So for this one, again, you can just put it like this one, and then you expand it. So you have 1, 2, 6. Okay, 1, and then this is 6. So there will be 1 over 6. That is 1, 2, 6. Okay, for this one, remember mixed number, change to improper first. Okay, change to improper first. So 2 over 5, 2, 5, this one. And then actually they have the same denominator, so you just multiply it by 5, then you have 2 to 6. That's not complete yet because 2 and 6 have common factors, so you have to divide by 2, so you have, okay, divide by 2, so you have 1 to 3. Okay, for this one again, some of you will just put down 2 to 6 to 10 as the answer. Remember, you have to make sure every factors or every common factors has been eliminated. Okay, eliminated. So you should have 1 to 3 to 5 to be your final answer. For this one again, could you just change it from mixed number, change it to improper fraction. So you have 3 over 4 to 3 over 2 to 5 over 8. So for this time, LCM will be 8. Okay, so you just multiply it by 8. So you have 3 over 4 times 8, 2, 3 over 2 times 8, 2, 5 over 8 times 8. Okay, so this time again, you just cos it. Okay, so you just have 6 to 12 to 5 as your final answer. Okay, so maybe that's all for this.